Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free gifts on the Temu app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Temu app. So I'm going to open this here. So as you can see, this is the aid. We have to wait for a few seconds. Now simply we have to click on the U section, and after going to the U section, as you can see, here's the third option, play and earn. So let's click on this play and earn. As you can see, this is the first option. Claim free items, free get gifts. You have to click on the get gift option, and as you can see, now you have to wait for a few seconds. And now as you can see, for your support, we are giving you a free gift. And as you can see, now the gift is provided here. We have to choose to pick any of them. For example, I'm going to click on this one here. So as you can see, now one free gift, and as you can see, now it's provided here, one free gift for you. And as you can see, super easy, pick one gift now. And as you can see, now it's provided here. So as you can see, now we have to pick any of from them. For example, I want to claim this one here, so let's click on this. And as you can see, now for example, I'm going to click on the pick starting inviting, and we have to invite the customers, we have to invite the people, choose another address. For example, I'm going to choosing this one here, so click on this here option. And as you can see, now picked gifts. So as you can see, now we are done here. After being claimed, your gift will be paid. As you can see, this is the animation and they are providing. It will work like this. So we have to invite the get free gifts. If you want to invite the friends, you can also do that. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this. These all options are provided here. So now I'm going to the back. Let's click on this option here. I'm going to the back again. Let's click on this option, as you can see, and I'm going to click on the back here, and let's click on this, and I'm going to cut this one here. Let's go to the back. We have claimed this gift here, so I'm going to leave this right now. Let's click on this, and as you can see, if you want to claim for free items, you can also do that. Like, you have to click on the claim for free items, and as you can see, wait for your free items. We have to wait for a few seconds. And so as you can see, now we have to choose the items again. For example, I'm gonna choose this one here, so let's click on this, pick now, and we have to choose black one. I'm gonna choose, for example, you can choose any of them. I'm gonna choose this one here, so let's click on the continue. And again, as you can see, free shipping, and we have to wait for a few seconds. One more item for you, we have to wait for a few seconds again. For example, I'm gonna choose like this one now, pick now, and we have to choose the size here, so I'm going to choose this one. Let's click on the continue again. We have to choose the black. As you can see, this is the animation. It will work like this. So in this way you can get the free items, and as you can see, it's showing the animation. So in this way you can get the gifts on the Temu app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.